Hey guys, I'm back with my inner carton here. We are going to do the next 4 boxes. In our series. So let's get right to it. Jump right in. After the first unboxing, I'm a little bit more familiar with the designs and types of cards in the pack, so let's see if we can identify them better today. First pack, here we go. Okay, we got Nature's Paradise. Number 12. Tropical Seascape. Number 58. Okay, so now this one, I believe is a parallel Hyperwave holofoil with the waves on the outside. Yeah, that's what that's gotta be. We got Little House by the Road, and that is a parallel wave holofoil. Very nice. Oh boy. Number 56. And this one is a parallel rainbow holofoil. You can see the rainbow colors differently. Definitely compare it to the Hyperwave holofoil, and you could tell the difference there. So this is a Secluded Beach in the rainbow holofoil. Very nice. Number 52. And Cabin in the Woods. Number 10. That's the first pack. Here comes pack number 2. Got Dock Scene. Number 54. Cypress Swamp. Number 2. Ooh, that one's cool. So here's the, are these gotta be the artist refractors, right? Because, yeah, that's what it's gotta be. These are the Bob Ross. Looks like a rainbow holofoil. Number 46. I like that one. This is my third one of these. Number 21. And Golden Rays of Sunshine. 25. Perfect. That's the first box. Okay. Third one of these. But I'll show you too, obviously, with the artist rainbow holofoil. That's rainbow holofoil for my first opening. And actually, from yesterday's, this is a serial number Gemstone Refractor, was that one, which is the numbered 7 of 49. So that's 49 amethysts of these are made. Then there's 25 rubies, 10 gold, 5 sapphire, and only 1 onyx in this kind of make. So So that's that. Let's open the second box. Second box, pack 1. Fisherman's Trail, number 20. Forest Dawn, 31. Here's another parallel Hyperwave Holofoil with the wavy on the outside. It's very beautiful. Indian Summer. Beautiful card. Number 44. Little House by the Road. Parallel Rainbow Holofoil. Number 56. Secluded Bridge, number 36. Alrighty, second pack of the second box. There's my knee, no problem. There's a nice Bob Ross. Number 1. That's my first of those Bob Ross. That would be really cool with the refractor. We got the old mill. Number 22. Cool. Parallel Rainbow Holofoil. Oriental Falls, that's a beautiful card. If I can get it in focus, yeah. Very nice. Number 7. Cabin in the Woods. I want to see that one in a foil. That would be good. Number 10. And we got another Bob Ross. Number 50. Okay. Box number 3. Pack 1. We got another Bob Ross. That's not that bad. Number 18. Winter Bliss. Number 5. The Footbridge, Parallel Rainbow Holofoil. Very nice card. Number 3. Country Life. 28. Forest Dawn. 30. It does start zooming out with all these. I noticed that last time. I was trying to see the cards at the bottom. Last pack of that third box. Got Gray Mountain. Number 15. Twilight Beauty. Number 24. Oh, we got another puzzle card. Ooh, and this is the first Hyperwave Holofoil puzzle card. Excellent. Number 3. I don't have that one yet. That's great. That will actually go. If you check this out, I'm putting together the puzzle one. Let's throw that in there. This is gonna replace one of these because this is the same one. That's number 2 of 9 up here. 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna remove this. Put our third puzzle card in here. I believe that's in order so far for the puzzle cards. That's going to be very cool. Okay. Gotta get that last one, Mountain Retreat. 57. Okay. Okay. Alright, I'm on my last pack for today. Last box. Last box. Alright, we have another Cypress Swamp. Number 2. Another Bob Ross. Number 27. Okay, this is our first, what is this, a cold foil? Yes. Cold foil painting. So the cold foils are no color, it's just got a shine, which is very neat. Cold foils are 1 in 6, so they're more rare than the rainbow holofoils and the hyperwave holofoils, so that's very cool. We got a rainbow holofoil, Glacier Lake, that's very nice. Very nice. Number 23. And Ebony Sea. Number 29. Almost done. Last pack. Alright. Last pack here for today. Got Winter Bliss. Number 5. Misty Waterfall. 35. Nice Hyperwave Holofoil. Nightlight, that one's pretty cool. If it will focus ever. Number 42. And a parallel rainbow holofoil of Not Quite Spring. I like it. Number 47. And we got Blue River as our last card for today. Number 40. All right, so in these 4 boxes, nothing crazy special, but they are all still beautiful cards. I am very happy with a lot of these already. So again, just another collection, and just wanted to show you what cards come in this series. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. See you on the next one. Take care.